Okay, this is our the next method. As in the last lecture, we discussed different cases under a get method and use a get methods to pass a different data type. But in our tutorial, we'll discuss about the post method in the CGI programmings. Let's start this. A generally more reliable method of passing information to a CG programming is a post methods. This package information is exactly the same way as a get method, but instead of sending it as a text string, because in a get method we use also a text strings and the URL, it send it a separate message. So it is the reason that post method is more reliable as compared to the get methods, because it creates a direct message to a URL. This message comes into CG script in the form of the standard input. Starting in the form, as we start in in a get message, first the form action is in start. Then I told in the last lecture that introduce a cgi.man hello get like this. Put the name of method in here. Put like first name in bottom as we did in the first get methods example. This is also same, but we can also perform this by using a post method. The result almost will be same, but in this message the reason of using a post methods is that the post method is reliable as compared to get methods, because the get methods use a string and post methods direct send the message to a URL. Okay, the practical example on a Python. Okay, in the last lecture, we use a get methods to develop a bar for input user like father names and like first name and the last name like this. And now in this method, we do a same example by using a post method. In our last lecture, I told you that what is the main difference between a get method and a post method in CG programming, and how we can use these two different methods. Okay, just go back and copy this and paste here. And you can I also told you that this is a method, and you can change the name in here. If you want to use a post method, then I add it like post method like this. Okay, let's run this program and see that the same results are produced. Like you can see that first name, last name, and father name, and in a post methods. And in here that you can see that this is a get methods, and in here like this is a post